fire hydrant is a great exercise to warm up the glutes and glute med for work that you're about to do, engaging your posterior chain. It's also good for range of motion and helping build stability in the hip in all the different ways that your hip can move. What you're going to do to start, you're going to get down on the ground on all fours. Try to make sure your shoulders are over your hands, your knees are under your hips. So don't come forward like this and sit back. We want our knees underneath our hips. You're going to take your heel and try to touch your butt and hold that here. You're engaging your hamstring and you're holding that together. If you need, you can get a ball of some sort, something small, put it back here behind your knee, and then try to squeeze it so you don't lose it. All right? You're going to lift your knee off the ground and you're going to make as big a circle as possible without turning your whole hip. Right? So the idea is you keep your hip, you keep your belly to the floor, and try to extend that range of motion to the outside as much as possible without moving your hip as you do it. Do like 10 to 15 reps going back, 10 to 15 reps going forward on each side, and you're going to increase your range of motion and stability in your hip.